Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error, that is the operating system is not presently configured to run this application with SolidWorks, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now open Task Manager, so make a right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager and go ahead and close SolidWorks. Select it, then click on End Task, and once it is closed, open this link. The link is provided in the video description. Paste the link in the browser and it will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download. Now select the second file, that is x64 version, and then click on next and download and install it. If this does not work, you can go ahead and install the first file, but start with second file first and then click on next. Now run the exe file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Agree to the terms. Click on next. Then click on install and let the installation complete. Now once the installation is complete, click on OK, and then you can go ahead and open SolidWorks, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.